8 minutes for the light to reach the ground. From a giant where no silence can be found. A million Earths could fit inside the core. A nuclear sea without a shore. The hydrogen is bleeding into gold. A story 5 billion years old. Solar winds blowing through the dark. Every flare a catastrophic spark. Magnetic fields twisting in the deep. While the rest of the cosmos is asleep. She's the anchor in the velvet void, keeping us from being destroyed.